Hello there. Today I would like to take a few minutes of your time by asking a small questions. What does society expect from technological innovations? How can they be calibrated with scientific techniques to know their uniqueness and the greatness of their product? These questions have always risen whenever the design researchers like you and me are involved in any course of the design. Today, the majority of the courses in academics focus on educating the learners on the plethora of the design disciplines, technology and engineering practices, and research methods to bring an innovative idea to life. But the value of design knowledge and improvisation in the process or technology are still not fully utilized because of the ignorance of the scientific approach in the process. Some recent studies shows that there is a dire need for design research and should say there should be a scientific design that balances between the aesthetic and the functional properties of the products. Now let's talk about my newly published book, Science in Design, that reveals the design of a product or process aimed at accommodating a scientific development cycle rather than descriptive. Like Almighty, science is present everywhere and design is no more untouched. We have to deep dive and find the connection. The need for this book becomes obvious when we want to initiate a search for a proof of concept that holds the presence of science in its design definition. This book starts with the recognition of design as an art, science, process, and later it will connect the dots of science in the design thinking. Through this book, you will find a relation between how science, design, and highly engineering practices are interrelated to each other. You can order this book by clicking the link. I hope you enjoy learning from this book as much I enjoyed writing it for you.